We all have manners, idols, that's someone you want to be like. And sometimes we find ourselves mimicking their attitudes, speech patterns, and behaviors. In the same manner, the Apostle Paul encourages us to live out what we have learned about Christ, to be doers of the word and not hearers only. It's one thing to know about something, it's another thing to put that knowledge to practice. If we know His will but don't do anything about it, that shows that we don't really want to honor God. But if we do His will, then our action shows that our identity is rooted in Christ, doing the will of God, not just learning about. The will of God unleashes the peace of God. Ask yourself today, what is God teaching me about Himself, and how can I apply His teachings to my life?